good and safe at home. Welcome back to our English class. Let's start our English class with what? Yes, very good. With a word of the day. Okay? Word of the day. Every day we are learning a word and its meaning, right? Last class we have learned a word. Do you remember that? Very good. Say copious, right? Copious. What is the meaning? Abundant or many, plentiful, numerous, ample, right? Okay. Today I will introduce a new word. Okay? What is this? Read this word. D-A-W-D-L-E. Dawdle. Am I right? Say this. Dawdle. Are you sure? But that is wrong. Dawdle. Say dawdle. Okay, here we are writing A, but we have to pronounce this dawdle. Okay, the correct pronunciation is dawdle. Say dawdle. D-A-W-D-L-E. Dawdle. Say louder. Dawdle. Once again, dawdle. Okay, what is the meaning dawdle? What is the meaning of this word? Dawdle. Waste time. Okay, wasting time. And be slow. Okay, two meanings are there. Waste time or else be slow. Okay, waste time, then be slow. Which word? Dawdle. Dawdle. What is the meaning? Waste time and be slow. Got it? Yes. See, wasting time. Okay, that is called dawdle. We are doing this, right? Always we are dawdle. Am I right? Yes. See, for example, she mustn't dawdle. She had to write the exam quickly. Okay? She must not. Okay, mustn't means must not. Okay, must plus a not. She must not dawdle, which means she should not waste her time. Okay, she should not be slow. She had to write the exam quickly. Okay, when we write exam, we waste all our time. At the end, we write quickly. Am I right? Yes or no? Yes, that is dawdle. Okay, dawdle means waste of time. Waste in time and also be slow. Okay? She must not dawdle. She had to write the exam quickly. Okay? She must not dawdle. She had to write the exam quickly. Okay? Have you got it? You must not dawdle. Okay? You have to write 5 sentences quickly now. Got it? That means you should not waste your time. You have to write 5 sentences by using this word dawdle. Am I right? Yes or no? Yes, that is dawdle. Okay, waste time, be slow. Got it? She must not dawdle. She had to write the exam quickly. Okay? Did you understand? What is the word dawdle? What is the meaning? Waste time or be slow. Okay? Yes. Let's jump into our lesson. What lesson we are learning? Do you remember? Let me check. Do you remember that? What is the title? Very good. The tiger, the holy man and the jackal. Okay? The tiger, the holy man and the jackal. It is an Indian folk story. Okay? Do you know the story? Shall we recall once? Yes. Once a tiger got locked in a cage, right? Yes. It tried its level best to come out, but everything is in vain. Okay? So he rolled and bit the boards of the cage with anger and grief when he failed to come out. By chance, a holy man came near to that cage. So this tiger asked help from that holy man. But at first, that holy man said, "No, I can't do it. If I did so, Am I right? Who said like that? Very good. The holy man. Okay. Then this tiger said, no, I won't do anything. Okay, I won't do anything. Swear. Swear means promise. Okay. The tiger made a serious promise. Okay. Swear, believe me, I won't do anything. I will be a slave for you always. Okay. If you did so, I will be a slave for you always. Like that, the tiger said. Then this holy man's heart softened. Okay, that holy man, okay, I will leave you. Then that holy man, he opened that door. At that moment itself, that tiger popped. Popped means jumped near to that holy man. Okay, it bouncing and it made a sound, growled. Okay, the tiger went near to the holy man. Okay, that holy man pleaded. Pleaded means requested, begged. Okay, that holy man begged to that tiger, don't kill me. Okay, that holy man, he pleaded. Okay, then the tiger said, okay, I will accept, I will agree. Okay, if 3 people say that I am not fair to you, I will not kill you, I will let you go. Okay, who said that? That tiger. Okay, so this holy man first went near to a peepal tree. Okay, then he went there and he said what had happened. Okay, at that time, what did the people say? Very good. The people said, see, I am useful, I am helpful for all the passengers, right, who are passing by. I help them, I will be a shade and shelter to them, but for my kindness, what they return back? Yes, they are tearing down my branches, they give that branches to their cattle. Okay, who said like that? That peepal tree. Okay, remaining things, let's see today. We have learned some new words also. Am I right? Yes. Invade, then grief, then swear, then grateful. Next one, popped. Next one, pleaded, pouncing, crowd, trapped. Very good. Okay. Now, let's learn the remaining part. Okay. First, you should read the text. Take your book, listen the audio carefully and read it.
Then the holy man went further till he saw a buffalo turning a wheel that drew water from a well. When he asked the buffalo if the tiger was being unkind and unfair to him, the buffalo replied,
You are a fool to expect the tiger to thank you. Look at me. When I gave milk, people fed me the finest seeds and oil cakes. Now when I'm old, they have tied me up here and they give me only dry grass.
The holy man grew sadder. He then asked the road what it felt about his situation. My dear sir, said the road, how foolish you are to expect anything else. Look at me. I am useful to everyone, yet all, rich and poor, great and small, walk on me as they go past.
Have you all read? Okay, did you understand anything? Afterwards, where did the holy man go? Yes, the holy man went further till and he saw whom? Very good, a buffalo. Okay, he saw a buffalo turning a wheel to draw water from the well. Okay, so this holy man, he went near to that buffalo and said what had happened before. Okay, at that time, that buffalo was asking, are you a fool? You are expecting thankful from the tiger? Are you a fool? See, my condition when I am young, okay, when I am young, I give milk to my owner, right? So that time they give seed, nuts and all. But when I are using me like this to take water from the well, okay, then they are giving dry grass to eat. Okay, when I give milk, they give nuts, seeds and oil cake. What is the meaning oil cake? You know very well. Have you heard pinnacle? Yes, that is oil cake. Okay, usually in our place we give this to our cow, goats and all. Okay, that is oil cake, coconut oil cake. Have you heard? Yes, a cake made from different grains after oil has been taken out from them. Okay, that is called oil cake. Okay, a cake made from different grains after oil has been taken out from them. Okay, that is called oil cake. Okay, so at first I give milk to them, so that time they give good food to me, but nowadays I'm getting old, so they use me to take water from the well and they give dry grass. Then how can you ask or how can you expect thankful from that tiger? Okay, in this world, if we do any good things to others, but they return some bad things to us. Okay, we are doing some good things to others, but they are return back some harmful things to us. Okay, so that buffalo also said like that. Okay, the tiger is correct. The buffalo agreed, the tiger is correct. Okay, then the holy man grew sadder, which means the holy man was very sad. Okay, then he went near to a road. Okay, he went near to the road and asked what it feel about this situation. Okay, then that time the road said, see, how can you ask this thankful from that tiger? How can you expect this from that tiger? See, I am useful for everyone, right? I am useful for everyone, but all rich, poor, small, tall, big, everyone walks on me as they go past. Walks on me. Okay, I am helpful for them, but they are giving bad things to me. Okay, then how can you expect this thankful from that tiger like that? Who asked? Who said? Very good, that road. To whom? To the holy man. Then what happened? Do you have any guess? Yes or no? Let's see that in next class. Okay, before that, let's summarize once what we learned today. That holy man, first he asked to the peepal tree. The peepal tree said the tiger was correct. Am I right? Then the holy man went near to a buffalo. That time that buffalo was turning the wheel to draw water from the well. Okay, so the holy man said everything what had happened to him. Okay, so the buffalo said, how can you expect the thankful from the tiger? See, when I am young, I give milk to my owner. That time he gave some nuts, seeds and oil cake. Okay, oil cake means a cake made from different grains after oil has been taken out from them. Okay, but now I'm getting old, I can't do any work, so they gave this punishment. I have to take water from the well. Okay, then they give dry grass to me. Okay, then how can we expect that good one from others? Then that holy man was sad and he went near to a road. Okay, then he said everything to that road. Then that road also said, are you a fool? Why are you expecting this thankful from the tiger? Okay, see, I am useful for everyone, but for return, I am getting bad things. Okay, everyone everyone, rich, poor, then small, big, all are walking on me. Okay? Who said like that? That road. Did you understand? Yes. Now, let's watch the animation video of this part. Are you ready? Yes. Dear students, while you are watching that video, you should listen the audio also. Okay? It will helpful for your reading. Okay? Afterwards, read the text. Got it? Are you ready? Yes.
A folk tale is a traditional story about a particular place, which was originally passed from one generation to another in spoken form. Read this interesting folk tale from India. Once, a tiger got locked inside a cage. He tried very hard to get out, but in vain. He rolled and bit the bars in anger and grief when he failed. By chance, a poor holy man came by. "Let me out of this cage, O Holy One!" cried the tiger.
No, my friend,
Replied the holy man calmly.
you might eat me if I did.
"Not at all," swore the tiger. "In fact, I will always be grateful to you and will always be your slave." Now, when the tiger cried and swore, the holy man's heart softened, and at last he agreed to open the door of the cage. As soon as the door was opened, out popped the tiger. Pouncing on the poor man, he growled, "What a fool you are! What is to stop me from eating you now? I've been trapped for so long. I'm terribly hungry." The holy man pleaded for his life, and at last the tiger agreed. He said, "If 3 people say that I'm not being fair to you, I will not eat you and will let you go." So the holy man first asked a peepal tree what it thought of the matter. The peepal tree replied,
What have you to complain about? I give shade and shelter to everyone who passes by, but they return my kindness by tearing down my branches to feed their cattle. Don't cry."
Then the holy man went further till he saw a buffalo turning a wheel that drew water from a well. When he asked the buffalo if the tiger was being unkind and unfair to him, the buffalo replied,
You are a fool to expect the tiger to thank you. Look at me. When I gave milk, people fed me the finest seeds and oil cakes. Now when I'm old, they have tied me up here and they give me only dry grass.
The holy man grew sadder. He then asked the road what it felt about his situation. "My dear sir," said the road, "how foolish you are to expect anything else. Look at me. I am useful to everyone, yet all, rich and poor, great and small, walk on me as they go past."
You understand this? Read the text thoroughly, underline the hard words and study all the meanings. Let's see the remaining part in the next class. Bye-bye.